With all these great decorative stitches on the Pfaff sewing machines, it's gotta be exciting to stitch them out. But then, what if you needed to flip-flop them or flip them a different direction based on how your fabric is feeding in the machine? Let's talk about mirror imaging, because on this machine you do have all 4 directions, and here's what I'm talking about. When you bring in a stitch, and I brought the house in because it will probably be easy to watch as we flip it. Not only are we going to be able to flip it left and right, so the house will change the location of the ground, let's say, but it also, if we flip it the other way, watch the chimney. So the chimney will change to the other side. So not all your stitches are totally non-symmetrical, that you will be able to see all 4 of these, but this would be one where you can actually change all the directions depending how you stitch them out and which mirror images are engaged at which time. You also can put mirror imaged designs in the memory or into the sequencing area of the machine, which is what we're going to do next.